Hi everyone, welcome to solve this math problem. It is an interesting math problem. So let's try to solve this equation without calculator. Firstly, we multiplied numerator denominator by 4 plus root 15. So we can write here under square root of 16 times 4 plus root 15 over this 4 minus root 15 times 4 plus root 15. And next step, we can use a formula numerator a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So under square root of this 16 times 4, which is 64, plus 16 times root 5, which is 16 root 5 over here. According to this formula, we can write into here 4 square minus root 15 whole square. And next step, we can write under square root of this 64 plus 16 root 15 over 4 square, which is 16, minus this root and square is cancelled, so we will get 15. And next step, we can write here under square root of 64 plus 60 root 15 and 16 minus 15, which is 1. And now we use a formula. This formula is a square plus b square plus twice ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So apply this formula, we can write here 64 plus 16, it can be written as 2 times 8 times root 15 is equal to this under square root of 64 plus 2 times this 8, it can be written as root 8 whole square times root 15. Next step, this 64 plus 2 times this root 8 square, it can be written as root 8 times root 8 times root 15, or under square root of 64 plus 2 times, and this whole things, it can be written as under square root of 8 times root 15, it can be written as 5 times 3. Next step, we can write into here under square root of 64 plus 2 times under square root of this 8 times 5, which is 40, times 8 times 3, which is 15. And next step, we can write here this 64, it can be written as 40 plus here 8 times 3, which is 24. So this 64, it can be written as 40 plus 24 plus this 2, and we separate this root, so it will be root 40 times root 24. And next step, this 40, it can be written as root 40 whole square plus, and this 24, it can be written as root 24 whole square plus 2 times root 40 times root 24. Here if we see a is equal to root 40 and b is equal to root 24, and it will be a square plus b square plus twice ab. So we can write here a plus b whole square. So according to this formula we can write into here under square root of this root 40 plus root 24 whole square. And next step, this root and this square is cancelled, so we will get root 40 plus root 24. And next step, into here we will get root 40 plus root 24. Now it can be written as under square root of 8 times 5, which is 14, plus under square root of 24, it can be written as 8 times 3. And now we separate this root, so it will be root 8 times root 5 plus root 8 times root 3. Now we taking common root 8, so we will get root 5 plus root 3, and this root 8, it can be written as 4 times 2 root times root 5 plus root 3. Now we finally write root 4, which is 2, and root 2 times root 5 plus root 3, and this is the value of this equation, 2 root 2 times root 5 plus root 3. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.